Hey MJC student, welcome to eForms, a convenient and secure way to submit forms and confidential information online. eForms are easy to use and even compatible with smartphones and other devices. Electronic forms allow a student to type something into a form and send it straight to us at MJC. Students can even track the status of their requests and review comments from our reviewers in real time. And students can communicate with staff regarding their request with a simple message. Here's how to get started. First, access the student's form page. When you click on a form name, it will open the eForms login page. Log in to eForms using the same login information that you use for your student email and Canvas. You'll see two main categories: Flow, which includes your inbox and activity, and Forms, which includes your forms and drafts. Click here to minimize and maximize the menu to the left. Let's go to Forms, as this will usually be the first place you'll go. Forms are organized by department: ADR for admissions and records, CO for counseling, FA for financial aid, and SS for student services. Scroll to find the form you're looking for, or use the search bar to narrow your options. When you click on the name of a form, it appears to the right. Some fields might already be filled in for you. Provide the requested information and follow any other directions in order to complete the form. Then hit Submit. And that's it. Let's go back to our inbox. This contains all returned eForms that are ready for you to review and follow-up documents. The Activity section shows all the forms you've submitted and allows you to view the history for any form you've submitted. You can click the History button here to see any notes from staff or actions taken on the submitted form. You can even make comments. And finally, let's visit the Drafts section. In this area, you can view forms you've accessed or viewed or started to fill out but haven't submitted yet. You can work on these drafts, submit them, or delete them. Just click Edit here to select and delete drafts. And all eForms are auto-saved in this Drafts folder, which is why you won't find a Save button. And remember, to check on the status of a form you've already submitted, be sure to check your inbox for new messages. You can always go to Activities to check on the status of a particular form, and History to see any comments from staff. A few things to keep in mind. Some forms are for reference only and cannot be submitted. Some forms need to be printed, signed, and submitted in person, by mail, or by email. In these cases, please contact us. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.